Hi, how are you?
Hi, teacher. We are fine, thank you.
Good. Welcome back one more time. This is a new class. It's about food. Once again, we're going to talk about food. In previous lessons, we were talking about gallo pinto, about ingredients, about how to cook different dishes, Nicaraguan dishes. And today we're going to learn how to order food in a restaurant. What would you like to order? This is today's lesson. Well, as you can see, this is an empty chart, but let me tell you this. When we want to eat a special food, where do we go? Where do we go? We go to a restaurant, okay? We go to a restaurant and they give us a menu. So this chart represents a menu. This is a menu. Okay? So in the menu, you can find all the types of foods and drinks that you want to eat in that moment. But a menu has four main parts. We have appetizers. This is what they give you before the main dish. Then we have main course. Main course is the main dish, what you want to eat in that moment. Then we have the beverages, or we can also say drinks. This is the liquid. For example, water, coffee, tea. And finally, we have desserts. Desserts is the sweet meal that they give you in a restaurant. So over here, we have different foods and drinks that you can be given in a restaurant. You're going to place those words in the right category, okay? For example, if I say 1, 2, 3 appetizers, I need some volunteers to run to the board and take one of the words and place it in the right place. For example, if I say 1, 2, 3 appetizers, I run to the board and I take one of the appetizers and I put it in the right category. Okay? So this is my example. Now let me see if you understood. Don't forget this one. Okay. 1, 2, 3 appetizers. Come on, you gotta do it fast. 1, 2, 3 main course. Run to the board. 1, 2, 3 appetizers. One more time. We're talking about appetizers once again. 1, 2, 3 desserts. 1, 2, 3 drinks. 1, 2, 3 main course. I said main course, right? 1, 2, 3 desserts. 1, 2, 3 desserts. I am here. Remember, the desserts is the sweet meal that you receive in a restaurant. The sweet meal that you receive. Okay, let me check this. Appetizers. Hamburger. Is this fine or not? Fine or not? No. A hamburger is what? What is a hamburger? Ah, okay, main course. Fried fish?
Yes.
What? Yes, good. Nachos? Yes. Salads? Good. Okay, beverages, drinks, soda, yes or no? Tea? Mineral water? Coffee? Excellent. Desserts? Pie? Good. Cake? Excellent. And what about steak? Steak. Where do I put steak? What is this? Main course. Okay, good. Main course. Roast beef. Roast beef. What is this? Where do I put it? Okay, dessert. No. Don't confuse me, okay? This is main course. Ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. Okay, this is dessert. Onion rings. Onion rings. Appetizers. Okay, good. Appetizers. So let's practice. Onion rings. Soup. Nachos. Salads. Hamburger. Fried fish. Steak. Roast beef. Soda. Tea. Mineral water. Coffee. Pie. Cake. Ice cream. Now you. Louder. Appetizers. Main course. Beverages. Drinks. Desserts. Menu. Okay, one more time, faster. Soup. Soda.
Pie, ice cream, cake,
Desserts.
hamburger, fish,
Fried fish. Roast beef. Okay, good. Ok, ya vamos a terminar. Well, now that you finished writing the dialogue, let's practice the pronunciation because later on we will be practicing a big dialogue. So we need to practice some expressions first. Okay, important expressions. On this side, the person that is talking is called waiter or waitress. Waiter is a man and waitress is a woman. Waiter is a man, waitress is a woman. On the other side, the person who's talking is, who is the person who visits a restaurant? How do you call that person? The customer. customer. The customer or the client. The customer is a person that is buying food, consuming food in a restaurant. Okay, so let's practice. May I take your order? May I take your order?
May I take your order?
May I take your order?
May I take your order?
One more time.
May I take your order?
May I take your order? I'll have. For example, you say, I'll have a hamburger. I'll have a hamburger, for example. This is the way that we order food in a restaurant. You say, I'll have, and you mention what you want. Okay, next. Are you ready to order?
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 And how do you respond? I'd like to have. I'd like to have. I'd like to have a hamburger. For example, a hamburger. Next, would you like to order? Would you like to order? One more time. Would you like to order? Yes. I'll have. Yes. I'll have. Yes. I'll have. What? A hamburger. Yes, I'll have a hamburger. What would you like to order?
Would you like to order?
Okay, let's do it slowly. What would you like to order? Again.
What would you like to order? What would you like to order?
And how do you respond? I'll have. You can say I'll have or I think I'll have. Okay, let's do it step by step. I'll have. I think I'll have. I think I'll have. What? A hamburger. A hamburger. So this is the way that we order food in a restaurant. If I say, what would you like to order? I'll have, I think I'll have, and then you mention the food that you are interested in. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready for the dialogue? Are you ready for the dialogue? Yes. Okay, let me show you the dialogue. This is the dialogue that I was talking about before. As you can see, this is taking place in a restaurant. Someone is ordering food and a waiter is paying attention to the customer. We have two people. We got the waiter and the customer. The waiter, I said previously, is the one who works in a restaurant serving food. And the customer is the person that is interested in buying food in a restaurant. So we have two roles. Now, I need you to divide the class into two parts. I want you to divide the class into two rows. One row is going to be the waiter, and the other row is going to be the customer. So this row is going to be the waiter, and the other row is going to be the what? The customer. So let's divide the class. Let's divide the class. You are the waiter. And you are?
Customer.
Waiter.
Customer.
Waiter.
Customer.
Waiter.
Great. So first we're going to listen and repeat. Listen to me and repeat first. Okay. May I take your order? Ah, you are the waiters. So you listen to me and repeat. May I take your order? May I take your order?
May I take your
All of you, all of you. May I take your order?
May I take your order?
Yes. Yes. I'll have a roast beef in the side order of salad. Now you. And what would you like to drink?
And what?
waiters, and what would you like to drink?
What would you like to drink?
I think I'll have
I think I'll have
a glass of lemonade.
a glass of lemon.
Please. Minutes later. Can I have the bill, please?
Can I have the bill?
Can I have the bill, please? Sure. Sure. One moment, please. One moment, please. Here is your bill. Here is your bill. It's $23.55. One more time. It's $23.55. Okay. Here you are. Okay, here you are. Thank you.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
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 Come again.
Come again.
Come again. Okay, and now I need two volunteers to come in front, read some lines from the dialogue, but you have to change some foods and drinks. Don't mention the exact things that I have in the original dialogue. I want you to make some changes, okay? So they're going to act out the dialogue, but they're going to take some words from here. So pay attention to them and action. I need two volunteers. Okay, Kimberly and Joseph, come on here. Kimberly, you're gonna be the customer and Joseph the waiter. So can you stand over here, please? Joseph and pay attention to them, please. Action.
May tell you your order.
Yes, I have a roast beef.
One more time, sorry. One more time. Remember, this is a dialogue and you have to look at each other. Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3, action.
May tell you order.
Yes, I have a fried fish, beef, and I say order of salad.
Okay.
And what would you like to drink?
I think I have a glass of the tea, please. Can I have the bill, please?
Sure, one moment, please. How is your bill? It's
23.55
$23.55. Start.
Okay. Here you are thinking.
Goodbye, come again.
Come again, everybody, come again. Come again.
Come again.
Come again.
Come again.
Come again. Good, excellent, great, wonderful. Very good. Okay. Homework. Write down the homework. Copy the homework. Everybody, copy the homework. Homework. Write it down, please. You're going to create a new dialogue. Create a new dialogue. You're going to work in groups, okay? I want you to do this in pairs. You're going to create a new dialogue, but you're going to order an appetizer. You're going to order a main course, of course. A main course. A beverage. You're going to order a beverage and a dessert. And you're gonna do it, as I said before, in pairs. This is pair one. You're gonna work it in your houses, and when you return, you're going to act out the dialogue in front of the class. Do you understand? Everybody clear? Everybody understood? Yes. Yes or yes? Yes or yes? Okay, good, excellent. You did a wonderful job today, and I want you to clap your hands. Clap your hands. You did a good job. Bye. See you next time.